everyone. I was just getting ready to make some hand soap, and so I thought I'd do a quick video because this is really easy. So you take any type of hand soap pump. I have a doTERRA one, and you use Castile soap, which we can all find this in even in the grocery store. And then we use, which I did not have. Coconut oil. And I like to add just a tiny drop of vitamin E to just kind of help make my hands soft. And so this is really easy. 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put the directions in here. 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
1. I have my helper here. 2. And then just 1 tablespoon of the fractionated coconut oil. Top off of this yet. There we go. Yep, we're going to put it in there. And then the recipe calls for 10 drops of oil. I usually do 15. Well, first, I put just 1 quick little dab of vitamin E. Gonna help soften up. And I like to use On Guard.
On Guard.
Which is...
Put it in here.
Gonna put it in. So this is our antibacterial, antiviral. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to top it off with, let's see, what would be nice? Maybe a little bit of wild orange. Yeah. Do 5. So this is going to have a color to it from the cinnamon and the clove. And so then from here, you just put it in the sink. You just get a little bit of water. I'm coming over to the sink. Just topped it up. Really easy. You can see, just topped it up with water.
Put the top on.
Put the top on.
And
shake it up. Oops, did you get some here? Put your hand out, Mabel. I'll show everybody. Put your hand up where we can see and see how it comes out. All ready to go. Awesome. And now we can go wash our hands. So I'm going to put the instructions in the comments there, and have some fun making your own hand soap. So you can think about how cost effective this is and how all natural and how good it smells. So have a good night. Bye.